Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your GE dishwasher is showing you the error codes, don't panic. These codes are designed to help identify the specific problems like drainage issues or water supply faults or sensor failures. So understanding the code is the first step towards fixing the problem quickly. So you need to first of all start by checking the dishwasher display for the exact code that you are seeing. So here are some of the GE dishwasher error codes. You can just simply take a look at the fault code, the definition and the solution right next to it. But apart from these, you might see these types of errors like H2O or FTD error or CSM error or PF error. So each code points a different system problem. For example, the H2O often indicates water supply issue, while FTD usually related to drainage failure. So knowing the code is going to help you troubleshoot the correct area instead of just guessing it. Now, before diving deeper, you need to perform the full reset. So you need to turn off the dishwasher's circuit breaker for about 1 to 2 minutes, and this is going to basically restore the power and also clear the temporary glitches. Now, many GE dishwasher error codes are caused by the restricted water flow and drainage problems. So you need to simply inspect the water supply wall, the inlet hose, drain hose, and garbage disposal connection, and filters for clogs, kinks, and blockages. So cleaning these components can also resolve several types of common codes. So if this video helped you understand, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.